gonna test Fanny right here. Fanny.
Excuse me.
Fanny, so people say I'm very good at Fanny. Not in the good because he is very good. But not that good because my brother is way better. Unlike you. Okay, so we're gonna test Fanny out. Oh shit. Oh no, I'm gonna die.
This guy, and this guy.
No.
Jawhead.
This,
Nana.
this.
This.
No, Joe
Yes,
is
Jaw.
fine.
You win.
You
flying at me.
That is why I usually use Purify, but I don't have Purify yet.
Why you haven't can't rank?
Knocked up Purify. Run. Oh, kill. Stun Purify.
What the hell? What's wrong with Max?
I'm too good.
Somebody find out what happened with Max. Gonna get 2,000.
I have the Davin, the disease. No, I don't exit the game. What is wrong with this?
Skill first. The first skill.
I know. Yes, I know.
The fire skill first.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! But fucking buy the jungle item.
No.
Buy Pillager Axe. Pillager Axe. What the don't you buy a freaking? Oh my gosh!
I know, right?
Why didn't you buy a freaking jungle item?
No.
Why? Funny, it's a jungle item, you know that.
God, it's so laggy here.
Look at your mid. That Cyclops gonna die. Or raid. Actually, the Hayabusa is stupid.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Oh, no, it's Max.
Fuck you, Max.
Like this.
Initiate retreat.
I actually saw it in the next play.
That time, like what weeks ago, happened an earthquake in.
Indonesia? Yeah. What? Stop what?
Can you send up? I want to check.
No.
Can you sit down somewhere?
No.
Really?
Why did you run?
I want a jungle!
You didn't have to jungle. That's
I
why
love
you have to
jungle.
buy freaking item.
Fine.
You're gonna be dead anyway.
Yep.
Come on.
Nope.
I haven't seen your brother playing lately. Great recall.
Jungle.
Playa.
Prioritize. That is what my brother do. He's like, oh crap, I forgot to buy hunter's knife.
Look what happened to
Prioritize.
Dowell.
I don't know what happened to
He
that.
plays in phone. What phone? Great. Finally.
Yes, finally.
That's because you're playing in Warrior. Oh my gosh. I never use Fanny.
I always use Fanny and Balvin.
Don't use freaking.
Should I go top or mid? Or bottom?
I think bottom, cause that Cyclops gonna die anyway.
Okay.
So fuck the Cyclops. Look at that Cyclops. What is he doing?
Our turret.
Oh, shit.
Right, Jawhead. He just pumped his
Okay.
core.
Wow.
He just show his skin. He doesn't have skill. Ulti him. Ulti him.
Ah, don't have mana. That is
Because
the...
Fanny is very boros.
Abay Moskov!
Oh, Moskov is still. Oh, ulti, just ulti him. Fuck.
That is why. I won't tower dive, okay? Because I can't tower dive.
Launch attack.
What the hell is my Jawhead do? Stupid job.
Okay. I can kill.
What?
What
What happened?
Oh, Oh, oh,
What?
wow.
What? What?
What the heck happened? I thought I was amazed.
Yeah.
And then tiba-tiba gitu.
And that's a glitch. Okay, go top. Look at that Hilda stupidly.
She's
Stupid
stupidly
tank.
dying.
Stupid
But she's a good tank.
Stupid tank.
It's just
Oh
she
my
can't-
god. I think it's MM build. Nana. That's why it's hard. Love it can hurt. Whoa.
I just want to take the minions, okay?
Retreat, bro. Bro.
Nope.
Bro.
Just wait.
Look at that
I can
fucking
use
Hilda.
Fanny.
Your team
that
destroyed a
Hilda.
turret. Launch attack.
Oh, what? I missed.
Ulti. Okay, you're dead.
Enemy rampage.
Me try.
No! No!
Me try.
No! Me use Fanny. No. I got stunned, okay? That is why I use Purify.
You didn't use Purify. You use
Belum
Retry.
punya.
You use Retry. not
Yes, I
Purify.
know. I can see that. Oh, she have more gold than me. No. Okay.
Then why did you say it's Purify?
Nope. Nana have more gold than me. And it's an AI.
An AI?
Yes. It's AI.
Well, that explains why I can get a freaking easy savage in my friend accounts.
Tuh dikatain tuh der.
Me here. To
What?
freakable.
What?
No, that's not how you use freaking. What the hell is wrong with that Gord?
What the?
What the hell is wrong? You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
Ah, yep. My mana ran out.
You know, I try finding freaking AI, and I actually get maniac.
Mainnya posisi.
Like this one.
X1. Oh!
That,
That is my first time seeing AI jungling.
I think that's not an AI.
That is computer.
That's a human. That's a robot. Jawhead is robot. Okay. You just have to if you hit the enemy, it will regen your freaking energy. Just kill the enemy. Don't let your teammates
Oh,
kill it.
no!
Why are you afraid of freaking Jawhead?
It's a jawhead.
Yeah, you're funny.
Yes, I am a fan.
That
Okay.
funny can counter any freaking hero.
No, not
Yes.
everything.
Except for like a freaking Stur.
Nana.
That guy.
I lost to
Build.
Nana.
That freaking skill. Second skill is freaking
No, ult.
annoying. No, second.
Ult.
Second ulti. You're dead. Yay.
I escaped. Too easy. Oh, no.
If you throw
What the fuck? What the? Apa ini? I have to.
return, take the freaking bath.
Now do not.
Take the bath.
Yes, I know. I will. You know what? Cyclops is going there, and my bottom lane is dead.
Great. That's because it's a freaking computer, I say.
I bet Nana have more gold than me. Thank you, Daryl. Thank you so much. Ha ha ha! I got lost here.
You're welcome.
Why are you here?
I don't know, just go to the mid lane.
No. I got company. Okay.
What the hell?
Boom.
You didn't even use like cable.
I don't want to use like 16 cables. I ever do like 17.
If you want to freaking be a freaking pro fanny,
I have to learn tower dive, okay? I wanna learn tower dive.
if you if you have heart
I
attack.
can't do tower dive.
Why? It's easy.
I can't escape.
That's because it's funny and it's cost too many energy. I mean mana or something.
Wow, I missed.
Kill him.
I know.
Tower dive. Great. There. You learn how to tower dive.
No, I mean like that is an easy escape. Like if I'm in the middle of turret, I can't walk in low energy. Okay.
You have
Oh,
to.
okay.
Great.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah.
The upper lane is dead. Okay, you win, cause Kada.
I'll take care of that.
Your team destroyed a turret.
And then I'll do that.
Attack.
Yes, I know.
Attack.
Okay, so, oh my gosh, first get.
Mega kill.
That giant is.
I'm like, wee. That's so cool.
No, Fanny is freaking still strong, and its energy is really long. Let me see the build of Cyclops.
Oh shit.
Okay. Who have a freaking lightning truncheon?
I don't know. Oh shit.
Tower
Should I?
dive.
Okay. I missed the
Actually, no.
turret.
If you always miss like that, don't tower dive. Now you can tower dive. Okay.
I didn't.
Okay, great. My jawhead. If you lose the freaking jawhead. Wow!
Oh shit.
He didn't run. What is wrong with you, jawhead? What is wrong with this jawhead?
Sini enggak. I what? Bye, I'm going for the buff.
Land Fanny.
Yes, I'm trying to learn Fanny.
You have to learn from YouTube. Your energy, bruh. It wouldn't last long.
I know.
Finally. But you didn't kill enemy with your second skill.
I know.
That's what I did. Funny. The second skill is really bothering me.
The heck?
It's gourd.
Launch attack.
Great job.
Launch attack.
Wait your energy.
You're about to win.
I know.
I keep missing.
Look on the map.
Should I?
No. We shouldn't.
Enemy double.
Oh shit.
You tower dive.
Okay, thank you for watching and